All right, this is the STRICH SPB 20 adjustable piano bench with storage. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. The bench arrived safely. Everything was packed in styrofoam, no problems there. We're looking at a solid oak wood piano bench with a black finish. It has a padded PU leather seat here, and it's actually really nice looking. As I was assembling it, I could tell it was pretty well built and very sturdy. And I will show you the assembly process over here. It was super easy to put together. They gave us everything we need, but I ended up using my own 17mm socket and it went together just really fast. I love the natural wood grain look that it has. It's just a classic looking padded piano bench. The thing that makes this neat, in my opinion, is that it is height adjustable. You can set the height from 18.1 inches in its lowest setting up to 21.8 inches at its highest point, which is here right now. So you can find a nice, comfortable fit from kids to adults. The bench has a 400-pound capacity on it. I was a little concerned that there might be an issue with my ballerina-like figure, but it is perfect for me. It has a metal frame under here, and it's very stable. When you want to adjust the height, you just crank these two things right here at the same time. You can lower it, raise it, set it to whatever you want. It does take a little effort and time to lower it to get it into the position that you want due to the fact that the gear on here is slow. So I like that. It makes it more stable in my opinion. Under the top of the seat right here is about a 1-inch deep felt covered storage area. This is great for storing sheet music, books, accessories, all kinds of stuff. Easy access. You just lift it up and everything's right here. It's hinged. It stays up. I like that. So there you go. A great looking piano bench. It blends in easily with any space. I feel like this would be good with any type of piano, a digital piano like this one or otherwise. Great for school, great for lessons, anything really. Very nice.